Hello, today we are going to assemble the bike camper, and we have the tent body here, and we have the accessory over here. This is the pulling rod, 2 tires, and the axle, also the tent rod right here, and here's the D-ring clip, the spacer, and the wheel rod with the spring ring, screws, nuts, the spacer, and the reflector. First, we're gonna start with the bike tent body. This is the pulling rod connector, and you turn it over, you will find here is the buckle. You will need to unclip it and extend the leg out. Like this. Then you take this axle and put it on the middle hole. There is 2 holes over here. You align it with the axle's 2 holes. Then you use 2 gasket and screw nuts to secure it. First, put the spacer in, then go through the axle, put another of this in. I'm gonna use the electrical drill, so it's faster this way. Okay, do the same thing for the other screws. Okay, then next step, we take the wheels and this wheel rod with the spring. You see there is a black spring ring on the rod. First, you put the rod through the wheels. Then you find this spacer. It may come in silver or black. And put in the rod. Then you place the rod through the axle, matching the hole over here. You see there is a hole, and there is a hole over here. And use the D-ring clip to secure it. Do the same thing for the other side. Through the wheel, putting the spacer. Putting the okay. Then then we have this connector rod. There's two holes over here, and you place here. Use the D-ring pin to go through it. Okay. Then you can flip it over. Now we are going to attach the reflector on the back of the leg. First, you unscrew the screw on the reflector. Like this, there's a rubber mat. Then you go through the leg. Make sure you attach the rubber inside. Okay, and here's a reflector. Do the same thing for the other side. And when you want to use this as a trailer, you just clip this on the leg. Then secure it with the buckle. So this will not move around. Now we are going to open this up for it's a tent. Open the leg. Here's another leg. Place it down. You will find here is two sleeves where you can put the tent rod in. Here is the tent rod. go through this way first. Let's go to the end. And here is a little hole, little sleeve over here. Place one side into the little sleeve. Then you hold the rod to the end. And here's another short sleeves. You just stick it in. Do the same thing for the other rod. Find the sleeve, opening, go through it, then place the rod through the small sleeves. Then you clip, here's some clips, small clips. Clip this onto the hand rod. We have also provided you with the U-shaped ground stake. You can use the ground stake to secure the legs. So if you move around a lot, the leg will not move. Also, we have included this mud guard. When riding on the wet weather, the bike may splash some mud onto the bike tent, so we put it around here. Tighten the rope with your hand. And adjust the position. Go a little bit upper. This way, it will prevent the tent from getting dirty. For the mud guard, it can also be used as an under tent storage space. You put it here, and you tie it around the middle rod of the leg. You can tie anywhere. Any way you want it, just make sure it's tight enough. Go to the back and tie the other two. Now you have an off-ground storage space. You can put your other gear or your shoes over here. So during the wet season, your gear can stay dry above the ground. Also can put shoes over here. And here is how to connect the bike trailer with the bike. You remove this part or a screw. and you put this locking piece here. Secure it. Here is also a safety rope. You loop around and clip here for extra security.
Okay. You're done.
When you want to tie down the goods, you need to make sure the hook is secure on the metal rod, like this. And for the horizontal side, also need to hook under the metal rod, like over here.